Looks like Motorola is done sitting on the sidelines and is finally catching up with Samsung and Google, who've already pushed Android 16 to their flagship phones. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech updates. Motorola has just rolled out the latest Android version, and it's surprisingly early for its Edge series users. The update is now live for the Edge 60 Pro, Edge 60 Fusion, and Edge 50 Pro, marking a rare moment where Motorola is leading the pack on timely software updates. But this isn't just a version upgrade. Motorola is taking Android 16 build around simplicity, security, and connectivity, while bringing several useful features and system upgrades to improve everyday use. The coolest one would be notification auto-grouping, which intelligently bundles alerts from the same app when they arrive back to back. Say goodbye to 50 Snap notifications from the same person. The update also introduces Instant Hotspot, allowing users to instantly achieve their phone's hotspot from a connected tablet or Chromebook using the same Google account. No extra steps needed. Not only this, Motorola is also giving users more visibility into their devices with expanded battery insights, including detailed battery health stats and component health diagnostics. It's like a wellness checkup but for your phone. There's more. The update adds smart modes like sleeping, driving, and working to help design your daily routine. It also brings new advanced protection tools like anti-theft features and ID checks, all easily found in the Settings app. While only 3 Edge phones are getting the update for now, more devices, including the Moto Razr Ultra and the Moto G series, are expected to follow soon. Motorola might not always be first, but this time, it's making Android 16 count. Like it said, it's worth the wait. Has your Motorola Edge gotten the update? Tell us in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.